Now, many might shun rats as dirty vermin, but in California, some look to rodents to relax. And here's a little warning for those who may be squeamish about rats.
At a pop-up bar in San Francisco, guests can enjoy their cocktails while cozying up with rats. The rat bar serves rat-themed drinks with no rodents harmed in the process. They can then play with rodents that are said to be domesticated.
Now, the bar manager assures guests that the rodents are, quote, 100% clean, and the experience costs $50 per head, allowing guests to tour the dungeon, enjoy cocktails, and most importantly, spend quality time with the rats.
I think they're super underrated, and I'd love to see more of these pop-ups come around. A lot of people have bad negative conceptions, but they're so cute. For a boy.